So here we have the Ford Puma ST line on a 20 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the boot, you can see that we've got plenty of space in there, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. Now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think that's what we're seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer. You can see we have the digital readout for the speedometer in that section. And on the right-hand side, the rev counter. In the middle at the bottom, you can see the total miles for this car, which are 5,021. Above that, we have a trip computer. We can change the information that's displayed there by using buttons on the steering wheel for various different bits of car and trip computer information. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was using just a moment ago are here. We then have stereo and phone controls beneath that. Stereo controls continue on the left, and with cruise control and speed limiter as well. Over in the center, we have the touchscreens. This is where you can access your satellite navigation. Really nice, clear, easy system to use. You can connect your phone as well. So hit add phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And just follow those instructions from there. You can also access your music, of course. So there's a few ways of doing that. You can see there we have AM, FM and DAB radio, Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly as well as making and receiving phone calls. And this car has USB inputs, so you can plug devices into those as well. We have the main volume for the stereo. Working our way down, we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the fan speed, the temperature, the direction that you'd like the air to be distributed in once it enters the car. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set here. You can turn it off whenever you wish to. We have a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen as well. This tray section down here will charge your phone wirelessly. So if your phone is able to charge wirelessly, of course, pop it on that pad and it will charge. For reference, I use an iPhone 12 Pro Max with quite a thick case as well, and that fits in here just right. And it actually charges through the case as well, so really good system. We have a 12-volt charging socket, USB input, and then a 6-speed manual gearbox. Lastly, these buttons down here. So you can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is now off. You can turn off the traction control. And this one will change the driving setup of the car. So you can put the car into normal, eco, sport, and it will change the dials, as you can see. And also then around to slippery, trail, and then back to normal again. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Mach 1 Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.